Welcome to PAZ Yachts, your trusted source for premium yacht sales in the Sea of Cortez. Today, we're showcasing the Cavalier 39, a classically designed, fully outfitted blue water cruiser, ready for your next adventure. Built in New Zealand to handle the challenges of the Southern Ocean, the Cavalier 39 is a solid, reliable boat designed to sail around the world. With a modified fin keel, it offers excellent upwind performance, great maneuverability, and steady tracking downwind, making it a joy to sail. This particular vessel, located in La Paz, Baja California Sur, is fully equipped for self-sufficient, long-range cruising. Some of its standout features include a monitor wind vane and 2 autopilots, 260 watts of solar power, AIS transceiver, radar, multiple GPS units, EPIRB and PPIRB, life raft, roller furling, and a removable inner forestay. There's also an impressive amount of storage space, filled with spares for every eventuality at sea. Her interior and exterior woodwork were completely refinished in early 2020. And her Kubota 46 horsepower engine was rebuilt in May of 2024, with only 200 hours of use since. Below deck, the layout is practical and comfortable, featuring a cozy V-berth, a starboard settee berth with a lee cloth, a salon with a U-shaped settee and a table that converts into an additional large bed. A navigation station in the quarter berth with quick access to instrument and the cockpit. The Cavalier 39 is perfectly positioned in La Paz, making it an ideal starting point to explore the Gulf of California or to set off on a global adventure. To learn more or schedule a private showing, visit PAZ Yachts today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible boat deals in the Sea of Cortez.